Hi, my name is Winston Lee, and I'm a product manager with IBM API Connect. With API Connect API Analytics, you can stream in real time to third-party systems. This capability will allow users and our customers to draw correlations with other data sources on a single platform, reducing the overall time between analysis, decision, and action. The event types that can be configured are monitoring events, log events, audit events, and API events. One benefit of the API analytics capabilities on version 10 is an offload-only mode. This has implications on your overall capacity requirements and can actually reduce the overall API Connect footprint needed in order to install API Connect. We're about to jump into a demo that shows you how to do this. In this example, we use a Kafka server and we listen in on a specific topic, and we show you how an API call is thrown towards the Kafka server and not the API analytics local storage. This will benefit you in terms of capacity requirements in the long run. Let's dive right in. Let's dive right into the demo portion of this section. This is what you would normally see if you had analytics configured to locally store data. It only takes a couple commands in order to edit the analytics CR to configure offload. This is the kubectl command that we're using to edit the analytics CR. Diving right in, we're going to scroll down to the relevant sections. The first section we want to highlight is the client section. You want to set enabled to false. Secondly, you want to go down to the section that has to do with storage. You want to set storage enabled to false as well. You will not be locally storing data. Now what we want to highlight up here is that our offload for external sources is configured so that our output is set to the Kafka server that we have configured. The topic ID is known as APIC. We're listening in on port 9092, and the ID is Kafka Offload. So this is the VMware that we have Kafka installed on. We're going to input a command for us to listen in on port 9092 on the topic known as APIC. These are the same values that you found inside of the CR that we configured earlier. Now we're going to invoke an API that retrieves some address and contact information. As you see, because the Kafka server was listening in, the data outputs on both of these terminals. And the output was logged in this external Kafka server. And now you see here that it's processed a total of one message. If we go and try to view the UI that we viewed earlier on in the demo, you'll notice that the analytics UI no longer shows. This is because you've configured offload only mode, so this is expected. We showed you what to expect on the provider side. Now let's log in as an API consumer. Logging in on the developer portal, we go to our apps section, and you'll notice that when our analytics load for a specific app, there will be no analytics data presented on the UI as a result of us configuring offload only mode. And there you have it.